You are distancing yourself further from the world, acting in fear by adopting and attaching your identity and those chakral energies to those negative centers.
Right.
You don't need to do that. You're learning that. That's a trained thing. So the only person that can unwind it, burn that disease out, use the fire of truth to burn that shit out is you. Nobody else can do it for you.
No.
But you have to do that recognition. You have to go through the difficult identification process and say, where am I out of whack?
Yes.
And you'll see it quick. You're like, wow, I'm fucking whacked.
I like these because this is the 3 chakras for the third density to be balanced. Is what we got to work on. So you're probably one or multiples of two, or maybe even all 3, like the yellow ray, the solar plexus. This is so interesting. This one is all about control and power. And you may be, and you're thinking control power, like people think of it like a Trump or somebody like that. But maybe you have a desire to control Thanksgiving dinner and everything has to be perfect, or you freak the fuck out. You know, that's control and power too.
But what about self-control?
Well, yeah.
What about using the energy of that chakra area to manage your response to things? Like today, for instance, Amanda says something, I responded, I'm like, whoa, I did not fucking check that before that came out of my mouth. You know, I should have done better. I should have used the power of that area internal me, that energy of creation. I should have used that to stop for a moment and control what I was saying without actually thinking things through. That's the other element. It's like you can use control for bad.
Yeah, but she's at the point now where, like, you also have to be, if you're a loving partner, then you can hold space for someone's frustration.
Yeah, and I said,
I always tell Leah that. It's like, I want you to come and dump to me.
Yeah.
And I can handle it. I'm not going to take it personal.
Yeah,
no matter what you tell me.
I got frustrated. My bad. I said my response was just, it wasn't there. But again, it's a control thing. So when you talk about that chakra, I want to control Thanksgiving dinner. I want to control how the world sees me.
Well, it's like, it's not, you're not actually controlling. You have a sense of a feel. It's an emotion of control.
Yeah.
It's not real control.
No.
Because you're not controlling cars to get there to your Thanksgiving dinner. But this is the interesting part. You have to control really is a manipulation to feel secure.
Because of that initial fear. Again, you won't have clarity up in that yellow area because your basal orange and red still are fucked.
Yeah.
You're trying to control because you think you're not trusting in the world. It has its own cycles, but you're not trusting in those cycles. You're so fearful of what may happen instead of having the ability to just live right now and really understand the beauty of what's going on.